Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to get to know about the 1010 app and how to use it. So, what exactly is 1010? 1010 is a mobile app designed to function like a live walkie-talkie for close friends. Let's talk about the features of the app. Number 1. Instant connection. Unlike traditional walkie-talkies, you don't need to wait for a signal or answer a call. When you talk, your friend hears you right away, even if their phone is locked. Number 2. Focus on friends. It's meant for connecting with your inner circle, fostering a more personal communication style. For example, to add a friend, you need to type in their unique ID. Number 3. Simple interface. This app prioritizes ease of use with a straightforward design focused on transmitting live audio. For example, when you open the app, you get the option to call your friends without it redirecting you somewhere else on the app. Now let's see how to use 1010 app. First, you can download it from App Store or Play Store as it is available for both iOS and Android. Now we will see on how you can add friends. Open your 1010 account. Once you get this screen, you need to tap on the plus sign and type here your friend's PIN. Just like you have your unique PIN here, your friend does too. Ask them for their 1010 PIN and type it here. Once you type the PIN, you need to tap on this highlighted arrow, and now you have successfully sent a request to your friend. Now your friend can accept your request from their 1010 account, and once they accept the request, you will have successfully added a friend on your 1010 app. Now we will see how to mute your friends or keep 1010 on Do Not Disturb. First, open your 1010 account. Tap on your friend's name, whom you want to mute. Once you tap on their name, you'll get these options, which are either to mute the particular person or mute everyone. If you choose mute everyone, then all of your friends on 1010 app will be on mute. If you want to just enable Do Not Disturb for one person, then tap on this option. Choose for how long you want to enable Do Not Disturb. You have now successfully turned on Do Not Disturb on 1010 app. Now let's talk about some cons about the app. Number 1. Limited features. 1010 might lack functionalities and basic features which are usually found in other walkie-talkie apps. Number 2. Data usage. Many users have mentioned that the app consumes high amount of data, so this can be a problem for you if you have a limited data pack. Number 3. Connection issues. There have been reports of occasional connection problems where the call or audio did not connect or just wasn't clear. Keep in mind that 1010 is still a new app and most of these issues mentioned will be rectified with upcoming updates and fixes. Overall, 1010 is a good option for quick, unscripted chats with close friends. If you prioritize simplicity and real-time connection, this app is worth a try. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.